Truck Access Plus, we just got done installing the BAK Revolver X4TS. The TS stands for the TS rails that are built in the cover so that you can put your racks, tie downs, whatever other accessories you want in these tracks. And the cover rolls right up for full bed access. Clamps inside the rails. This customer had existing molly panels in the bed. Didn't interfere with that at all. So all the cargo's managed and secure. The cover comes off if you need it to come off with some bolts under here. You can just twist off, lift the cover off. It's got straps right here to actually lock it in place when you're driving. It's got this really heavy duty marine vinyl. Looks like a seamless design. And the cover latches in the front on both sides. Locks with the tailgate. And it's secure with the tailgate lock. Visit us, Truck Access Plus, for bed cover options. We're here in Gilbert, Arizona for same-day install. We also have a location in Phoenix. Shop with us online, truckaccessplus.com. We'll take care of you.